Unboxing my custom Blythe doll from Pop Vulture Dolls on Instagram. My doll was delivered in a box that was marked fragile, which I really appreciate the care that goes into sending out the dolls as well as creating it. She had the cutest little bow paper as well as the red paper grass covering her just to keep her safe in there. She comes with multiple different little hands, both for the left and right side. So say if I wanted to change up her little expression, I can definitely do so. You can really tell that Kyla loves creating these dolls as she puts so much care into the process as well as the actual delivery process itself. Obviously, I am stunned. I'm so obsessed with her. Here's another little bag of hands. I really appreciate that she was also wrapped up in plastic because obviously the eyeballs are very fragile. But she did pack in with stickers. She came with a stand so I can stand her up. More stickers. So cute. Oh my gosh. I honestly cannot stress enough how much care is put into this doll. So she did have that bag with her as well, just to accessorize her. There's so many little goodies in this box, I can't even make this up. Look how many little stickers are in here. Oh my gosh. Also, I love how they're all like red and loved themed. Like, I don't know if you did that on purpose, Kyla, but these are the cutest things ever. Also, this little stand. So this is the part that connects to the bottom of the stand just to hold her up by her little waist. I was so amused by the little stickers too. Like, look how cute they are. The little cat with the headphones. Oh my gosh. Definitely adding these to my sticker bomb collection. For sure. The little cross. So beautiful. And then, of course, a close-up of the star of the show. The beautiful mini Trini Blythe doll. She came wrapped with bubble wrap around her, as well as the plastic protection cover on her face, as well as the ribbon, which is fantastic, very secure in there. I did have a little bit trouble figuring out the eyeballs. I had to text her and figure it out. I guess I just wasn't pulling hard enough, but I'll show you guys how they change in a minute. I was just so scared to break her, honestly. But yes, she does work. Just give me a moment. Here is Kyla's business card for Pop Vulture Dolls. Absolutely beautiful. So cute. Definitely check her out for sure. When I requested my Blythe doll, I had custom tattoos ordered, as well as my piercings, and obviously my hair, and the eyes, and the beads. So basically everything on this doll is custom, as well as the outfit. So she really is me. The detail that went into my piercings and tattoos is immaculate as well. Here's a close-up of just the gauges. I have a couple gauges and piercings on one side. And then also, the other side has the same piercings that I have in real life, which is so awesome. She also has my red eyebrows and the makeup that I typically do, the little blush along with the freckles, and the lipstick, and she has my nose ring and my septum piercing, and my tattoos, and my back tattoo, which is, like, fantastic. Absolutely obsessed with her. I still can't wrap my mind around the attention to detail. Like, this is so fantastic. Just like me for real. Twin. Twinsies. I went ahead and gave her the little peace sign hand, just so she's chilling out there. Look at her, so cute. And my tattoos. Perfect. She's just such a beautiful doll, honestly. I did want to catch more of a close-up of her face as well. There's the little freckles you can see. Super cute. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so back to the eyes. Oh my gosh. This is after I messaged her, so this is me on another day. Be aware. But look how absolutely cute she is. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I got the dizzy eyes. I got the red dizzy eyes to match as well. I got pretty much my eyeball. Just give me a sec. There we go. So cute. So cute. I love that icy blue. Also, I really love how there were options for the eyeballs. If you wanted to do, like, maybe just your eyes in one of them, or all of them, you can definitely do so. But you do have the option to do, like, the funky ones, which I obviously took advantage of. Her lashes are so cute too. They're really fluffy, and I love them. And I'm so obsessed with her. I can't even say it enough. Look how cute she is. To change the eyes, all I had to do was just pull a little string in the back. Her beads are red, super cute just to match her. If you're in search for a custom Blythe doll or are really obsessed with how mine turned out, go ahead and give Pop Vulture dolls a check out because look at that. And thank you, Kyla, so much again for this beautiful angel. I'm so obsessed with her.